Hello everyone. So today I am trading gold and I'm trading 1 hour time frame, and I have two boxes. The ICB box, I have an ICB box for sell, I had an ICB box for buy, and then I had an ICB box for sale. So my orders for sale have been activated, and I want this trade. Let me show you this trade is coming all the way to 40 80. Do you know how many pips are those? This is 800 pips. So currently the market is at 41.60, and I want it to go at 40.80. Those are 800 pips. So I've just entered right now, and let us check the other account. So I'm having this account, I have 0.1. These are 0.1, and if I can make it to TP, I'll be very happy, guys. So these are the strategies that I normally teach, and if I can show you, we first had a buy and it went 400 pips. So first I did a buy. This box had given me a buy, and this buy, it was actual, like I made money with this buy. Now we are selling. So buying 400 pips, and now I want to sell, and I sell to 800 pips. Let me show you the buy. So the way I'm telling you that I was buying first, this was my ICB box. Those who are my students know that we had an ICB box. My buy limit was here. We first bought, and now because we have another ICB for sale, now I'm selling. And guys, we are dropping, and if this market will go 800 pips, I'm so eager to see how much I'll make. So this is just the beginning of the trade running, and already we are at $100. And my take profit, I have the two setups. So this one was a setup for buy, and the other one was a setup for I had put sell orders. So if this market hit our take profit, which is at 40.78 or 40.80 there, we will have made good money. So let's see the other account. And we see. Yeah, so I'll keep you updated. What I'm saying is that I'm seeing that this sell, it will push down. So we are trading with you. I want you to see now. What is the time? What's the time? 7:24. It's on a Wednesday, 26th. It's on a Wednesday. I want to hold this trade. Normally I trade and I get 200 pips, but I want this to be my first trade where I'm holding up to the TP. And the TP, I've told you, it's 800 pips. I don't know what I'll do if I get like 400 pips, because that is my usual take profit, but we will see how it will go. So this is me showing you that Forex can make you money, and you don't need to fear. You just need to be able to know what you're doing in the market. So I'll keep you posted and see you in the next one. Hi guys, I've just woken up and I've been waiting this setup. I've been waiting gold 1 hour setup since yesterday. Since yesterday in the morning, like more than 24 hours, I've been waiting to trade gold, and all my orders, except one, like 3 or 4 orders have been activated, and I'm selling gold. My target is crazy. It's more than 500 pips. I am seeing gold can push more than 1,000 pips today. And once, like you have seen, I've entered the market, like I've shown you. And one thing that I normally say when it comes to trading, there are 3 parts when it comes to trading, guys. There is the part of getting the strategy, knowing what you want, knowing when to buy, when to sell. There's that part. And that part is not hard, because if you are someone who is a quick learner, if I can teach you what to look in the market, and when it happens, you can able to tell this market is a buy, is a sell, you're good to go. Now, the thing is, once you know when to buy, once you have your strategy, there's the entry level. Your strategy can be so good, but you miss on your entry. And that's what happens with gold, because your entry determines your stop loss, your entry determines your take profit. So you can have a very good strategy, but you enter either too early or too late. So yes, your strategy that you're working on, you should consider the entry level. Sometimes I can have a very profitable trade, but because I missed on my target where my TP has to hit, like if you miss on your TP hit, you can even be given 500 pips, and then, gold is so volatile. Gold is very volatile, and it keeps moving up and down. So you can get money, but if you miss your TP, you lose everything. So that is the second thing. And the third thing is the psychology. Now, someone who knows the strategy and know where the TP is, most of those people now, they deal with psychology, because the market will buy. You have put your stop loss in case of anything. You have put your target, your TP. The psychology is it is well. If I can be wrong in the market, I can be right. If today is that day I am right, I'll be rewarded. If today is that day I am not right, I will learn something. Now, the psychology, I think, is what disturbs many people, because a very good trade, many people are not able to hold it. Many people are not able to hold a very good trade. And for me, I have found even me, like in a scale of 1:10, my psychology, maybe it is at 6. I would say it is at 6. I'm not even at 8. It is at 6. Why? Because I'm still struggling with, I've made this amount of money. What if the market takes away the money? That is psychology. So in the psychology, in your mind, there's the logic part and there is the emotion part. So sometimes for me, I start bringing emotions when I'm making a lot of money, and I think the market wants to take back the money, instead to be so courageous to even put more positions. And that's why I said professional traders, they're emotionless. They don't work with emotions. If they say they are targeting 200 pips, 500 pips, if they are saying they are swinging this trade for 1 month, they are not wavered left, right, center. So I want you to comment down below as you watch this vlog, where I'm trying to trade and show you what really happens. I want you to comment down below. Where do you think you are? Are you struggling to get a strategy? That is number one. Are you struggling for your entries? Yes, the strategy is good, but entry level messes you up, target level messes you up. You don't know how to calculate your stop loss. You don't know how to calculate your risk to reward ratio. That is a category by itself. Or are you struggling with psychology? Is psychology messing you up, that a good trade you cut profits very early, and a bad trade you let losses run crazy until you blow account? And everyone is in a level, and if you don't identify the level that you are in, I'm telling you, you won't go far without getting exhausted. So what I've decided is that, because I've entered that my gold trade I've entered using 1 hour, I'll just be checking after every 1 hour to just see what the market is doing, and that way I don't need to keep checking, oh, do I have money, do I have no. So I'll keep updating you. And in case the market drop with, let's say I want 800 pips, in case it gives me 400 pips, half of that I can okay, I'm telling my psychology, okay, I wanted 800 pips. If I get half of that, 400 pips, I can close maybe some of the profits. So I have to tell my mind first, so that I don't see 50 pips or 100 pips and I close. So my psychology is at least 400 pips, Esther, 400 pips. At least you number one, what that will do, it will give you data that your strategies are very, very profitable. So if you're watching this video, be encouraged. I'm doing this to tell you that there is light at the end of every tunnel, and even if you have been struggling to trade or to make profits, you just need those three things. Now, you cannot, even if you have a very good psychology and your strategies, they are wrong, you will not make money. So let me just go. I think I want to do a Bible study, and then once, like, I give my trades some time, and then I'll be checking in, and then maybe the next video you're seeing is me closing the profits. Guys, those are my profits. Because we have news today, I want to close the trades. Let me show you the other account. So I want to close. Those are the profits I want to close because we have news today. $500. I've closed. I've made, let's see, $352. Those are the trades, $352. Here I've made history. $700. $700, guys. $700. Oh my goodness. And the other one, let me show you the other one. This one, I've made 621. So 621, 700, 350, and these are my small accounts. And I'll just like see those profits, guys. See those profits. I said if this trade goes 400 pips, I will be taking my profits, but because we have the news, it has only dropped with 200 pips. So 200 pips were able to give me 621. Maybe if you add another 200 pips, I will have made $1,200. So those are my trades, guys. Today was a good day. For me, I can say it was a good day. Trading gold has never been this enjoyable. Those are my profits. So add 621, 700, and 350. So I can now relax. I can now, hey, let me tell you, hey, I wish I filmed myself when I was waiting for those trades. You know, when you have a very good strategy, you know the market will sell, but you're like, will it even sell? Will it sell? Like, it is ranging. That was one of those trades. It was not a very fast trade because that entry was given yesterday when we were going to sleep, and my orders were activated today. So here I can relax. I can breathe. But bottom line, for me, I love to trade gold because, but then I never told you, yesterday I was trading, before I went to sleep, I was trading GBP-USD, and it was my worst nightmare. Like, I had a very big lot and the trade kept retracing, and I had to exit the trade, even if I didn't make much money, but I learned so much. And my lesson, I learned not to go back to currency anytime soon. So let me just stick to gold. I've really mastered gold, and I've really mastered how it moves up and down. And yeah, I wanted to give that signal today, but I was like, let me first test my strategies to be 100% sure what I'm giving people will make money, so that at the end of the day, I'm not feeling like I'm giving people too much exposure. You know, gold, just 100 pips is like a blink of an eye. Yeah. So me, I'm so happy. Like, I'm so happy this week. I have a lot this week. Like, I have a lot, but I know if I get a good opportunity, I'll still trade gold again. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. It is just a motivational video. This is just to encourage you that do not stop trading. Keep pushing, and one day you'll also make this your way to have income. Bye bye. Love you.